Whenever you're ready.
One, two.
Hi guys. All right, we are back. We are back. Once again, guys, welcome back to my channel again. Oh shit. And the hike begins. Parang New Zealand, ha?
Kasi ng mga baka. Ang ganda, oh.
Yung baka.
Kahit bahay kubo lang yung bahay mo.
My God, this is what we want. Oh, whoa. Is this the easy hike? Holy crap. Christian, this is Christian, my friends. Kano kahirap tong hike na to?
Yan lang. That's the only hard part.
This is the only hard part.
After that,
Usually it's gonna take about 45 to an hour, right? Yep. So this is the hard part here in this hike. It's this very steep. Yes, please.
Hello.
This is JP, my friends.
What's up?
JP is my longtime friend here in.
Oh, you're gonna make me cry.
JP doesn't have a YouTube channel, but maybe he's gonna create one. He's the Hulk Hogan of Guam, right?
Hulk Hogan.
Oh my God! Why am I doing this? Click, click. Recording. Nice bamboo. Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh! And there's my stick. Hello, long time stick. But never mind. The Zilong stick is there. Whew. That's not bad. Hello. Your name? Tracy. And you, ate? Leonie. And you, kuya? Huh? Christian. What's up? Wait, let me just try to get down in here. What's up, bro? Long time. Yes. So yes, guys. That is the process of our friend there.
Ibabalik pa yun ang hakawakan. Baka wala na makapagbalik.
Wala na kayo. Wala na tayo.
Slide.
Talaga yung pinakainihintay eh, no?
Okay na.
Ay!
Salamat. Tinatakbo ko pa ba?
There you go, guys.
Be, bilisan mo.
Nice. Give me that. By the way, so ayun na ba yung ano, yung falls na sinasabi nila?
I'm not sure if that's
Okay.
the one. But I think we still need to go further down.
Okay, guys, so I think this is the stage 2 of the challenge. The stage 2 of the challenge. But there's a rope. People are so nice, they put the rope. But there's a swing too.
Yun na nga yun.
Kakasabi mo nga lang, di ba? Okay, guys. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and There's two ways to do this. It's either you hold the rope or you just go down like that. Alright. I don't know what's the rope for, but I think it's okay. Oh yeah. Oh, so this is it. What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while because all of this COVID going on. Meanwhile, we are here in Pinnacle Falls. It's a little bit of a short hike, very easy. It's probably just gonna take you about 30 to 45 minutes. Some people's in there.
Yeah. No, not there. There.
Oh, there's even further there.
Yeah. They jumped there.
They jump. But so far this is the Garden Villa. The Garden Villa Falls. I see. Or in other words, the most popular term is Tinago Falls, right?
Tinago.
Yeah. It took us about 30 to 45 minutes to reach this beautiful place in here. Otherwise, we are already done and set. We are now heading back to
Another place.
called Menagon.
Menagon.
Oh,
River.
Menagon River. And we're gonna go ahead and
Right
swim
now
there.
it's raining.
Right now it's really raining, but stay tuned guys. Alright guys, this is the most difficult part, is going back. I hope I don't fall down. That's stage 1. Now we're gonna go ahead and proceed to stage 2. We are now going back.
See, everyone
We made it.
alive.
Oh, very good everybody, we made it.
Oh, next is what?
We are now heading back to the place where it began. This is the muddy part here. Should I care? I don't care. Go ahead, it's okay. Time update right now is 8:56 a.m. here in this very hot day. Medyo nakisama yung weather. Kanina it was like pouring rain, but it only lasted for like about a minute and then it went out. That's good. Whew, finally shade in here. Whoa, we're almost there. We're finally here. We're finally here. I think they're waiting for us, but this is it. The last stage.
Yeah, before and after. Before and after. Sabay nadulas pa ako.
Very good, very good, very good.
Sana maganda.
Chris, what's the name of the river again?
Menagon River.
Menagon River. We are all the way. No, OTW Menango Day. I'll see you guys there. Time update muna tayo. It's 9:29 p.m. Sasakay lang namin sa car. And we are now heading to that place that I said a while ago. So, Mr. Tour Guide, what is this place again?
Menagon River.
Menagon River. Wow. We'll see. The road was pretty rough going here, especially if you have a little car. But someone made it. So we'll go ahead and see. See if our crew already has started. They seem to be liking the water. Hey guys! How's the water? It's good. I guess it's my turn to jump.
Ron Balinas. See me on YouTube.
Okay. 1, 2, okay.
Yung cellphone niya, dala na.
It's me again, and I'm scared. Okay.
Okay, here's Yuri attempting to jump a 30-feet platform here in Menagon River. Menagon River, right? In 3, 2, 1, jump! Lapit dito. Malalim eh, no?
That was not bad, but I think my belly hit first. Oh shit. Oh, my tummy hurts. Okay. Woo! Woo! Oh. Jump! Ooh. What a brave guy. Damn. Damn. What's your name again? R. Like when you say a joke and you say R. Randolina's attempting to do the jump rope. There you go. And I hope you guys continue to support and subscribe to my channel. Once again, this is Yuri Resuma. Thank you for viewing my channel once again. We are now in Ipan and this concludes my video. Thank you. Peace out.